Hi everyone, welcome to Family DIY TV. Today we're diving into the future of home improvement with the Walabot DIY 2. So what makes the Walabot DIY 2 so special is it doesn't just beep like an ordinary old style stud finder. This actually shows you an image of exactly what's in the wall. So this will pick up wood studs, it'll pick up metal studs, it'll pick up electrical lines, plumbing, and what have you. We're gonna show you all of that in this video. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get into using the Walabot. Whoa! So this does charge with a USB-C cord that it comes with. It comes with a nice carrying case. You can get the carrying case. But to use this, you need either an Android device or an Apple device. In my case, I have an Apple device. This will, if you get the MagSafe connection, will connect right to your phone. So let's turn it on. All right, so we turned it on, and then you need to go to the App Store and download the Walabot app. Hit the Fast Reconnect, okay? This is going to join the Wi-Fi that this is putting out. It's going to connect the phone to the stud finder. While this is connecting, let's talk about Walabot, the actual company. So the company actually started out as a medical device company. They made scanning devices that were able to be taken out into the field, maybe in areas that were a little less fortunate, where they can actually scan for cancers and stuff like that. So what they decided to do is take the technology that they're using to help people around the world and put it into a little device like this, because really a wall is just like a body. You know, the studs are like bones, the wires are like veins. So they're using the same technology they use to detect cancer, actually to detect the studs and the metal and the plumbing and the wires in your wall. Now it's connected. This is designed to work on drywall, okay? So the first thing you need to do, this is very important, you have to calibrate it to the wall that you're trying to detect. So very simple, you hit the calibrate button, you hit next, and you hit start calibration. Now what it's gonna instruct you to do right here, if you get closer, you can see, it's gonna say, spin this around, okay? And what it's doing is it's calibrating. Calibration complete. You can see there's a stud right there, and it's showing up right on the screen, okay? Let's see if there's another stud. I know there's a stud obviously right here. Oh, and there's another stud. Now the nice thing about this one, we'll go back to this stud over here, is if you look closely, it will tell you the center of the stud when you're in the center of the stud, okay? So right there, if I look at this little line up here, I know that's the center of the stud. Now the reason why that's important is because if you're driving a screw into a stud, you don't want to hit the sides, right? You want to make sure that you put that screw right in the center of that stud. So this is really nice that it shows you that you're at the center. So now what we're going to do is look for an electrical line or a water line. I know there's an electrical line in here. So if I come around, we can see there's a line right there. It's showing me that it's running there. So let me go parallel to it. We actually follow this up. Look at that. I'm following it up, following it up, following it up, following it up. And if you look up there, what do you see? You see a light. So most likely this is going to this light right here. So we found the wire here, and we were following it up all the way to here. Now another thing I wanted to do is show you it finding plumbing. So I have basically just a piece of plumbing set up down here. And let's go on the other side. So that plumbing is right down here. And let's see how this picks up the plumbing. There's our pipe slash wire, okay? And I can follow that up, and it's gonna eventually stop at the stud. We've seen it detect the wire, we've seen it detect metal, we've seen it detect wood, okay? One other thing that I've noticed that's actually really neat is what if whatever's in the wall is moving, okay? What if you're running an electrical line and you're trying to figure out where it is? Well, this will also pick up a moving wire or pipe in the wall, and it'll show you that it's moving. Let's test that out. It's just easier to test this out with a piece of metal than a piece of wire. Let's first come over here. We're gonna do this on this wall here. So I think it's like right here. So see it there? And you can see what it's doing. At first, it actually thinks it's a metal pipe, but as the scan goes through the wall, and it's basically a computer program, it's shooting beams through, and the beams are coming back, and it's saying, oh, based on the density and all that stuff, I'm not gonna pretend I know all of it. This most likely is a pipe or a wire. When it goes and sees a piece of wood, and it does the same thing. It makes the best guess and says, oh, this is obviously wood, because that's how, you know, has a different density and everything, and a different profile than metal would. But let's get back to our metal. I'm gonna pick the piece of metal up, and we're gonna detect it, right? And I'm gonna move it. I'm moving it down. See, it's moving across the screen, and eventually out of the screen. and then I'll move it back into the screen, moving it down, and you can see it. First it picks it up and it thinks it's metal, and it goes, nope, nope, not metal. It's actually like copper. It thinks it's a metal stud at first. So that's pretty neat. So if you were gonna move something around in a wall, let's say you were fishing wires, you know, that's something that could be useful. The other thing, you don't have to connect it. So this is an option. You can buy the MagSafe option, basically just a magnet separate option. I'll have all linked to all this stuff down below, but you don't have to do that. So you could just have your phone in your hand and you could scan across the wall, right? So that also works as well. All right. Now I will point out, it's not able as of yet to tell you the difference between our electrical line, right? It says pipe or wire. Right now, the program, the way it works is it says pipe or wire. It doesn't know, is it a copper pipe or is it copper wiring, okay? Makes sense, right? How would it know the difference? But most likely they'll be able to update the software to, in the future, it'll be able to tell you this is an electrical line and this is a copper line. I'm not 100% sure if they're ever gonna do that, but I don't see a reason why they couldn't in the future update the software so it can do that. Let's see if I can, what other wires I can get. We can see this one's going up at an angle, which makes sense because it probably goes against this stud. There's another wire right there, so probably another wire goes up there. But this one I can follow down. Looks like it actually goes on an angle. If I put this on there, it sort of gives you a different picture. You can see the wires basically here, right? So I can work my way down and follow this wire. I want to do some more water lines, okay? So we obviously, in this case, I can look at this. I know these water lines go down. And we can see, obviously, we got a stud, right? So there's a stud right here. So water line should pop up right here, all right? Which is right in line with the line here. So there's obviously, this is telling me there's a water line. I can follow that water line down, 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 down. All right, I should see the other water line, and there's the other water line here. There you go. So what else is there to say? This thing's pretty cool. This is a perfect gift for a DIYer like myself. So if you want to pick me one up, go right ahead.
You already have one.
I already have one. That's nice.
But if you didn't.
But seriously though, I think this is perfect gift for that DIYer that's on your list that has like everything and you never know what to get them. This would be something really neat. They make a bunch of different versions of this. They make like an expert one, and that's supposed to be used out in the field by experts. It has a lot more features. This one's like the DIYer for just at home, for just like us normal guys that are just doing normal stuff. We need to know where pipes are, wires, and studs are, okay? This is not like your grandfather's or even your father's stud finder. I will put a link to all this down below. You can pick up Walabot. You get the app for free on the App Store. And if you want to attach it magnetically to your phone, which you don't have to, you know, you can have your phone over here and be using this on, you can just get the magnet kit, okay? You can pick all this up on Amazon. I will put a link down below. If you found this video to be helpful at all, I'm gonna ask you to please hit that subscribe button and please leave me a comment down below, especially if you pick one of these up. If you have any questions, also leave me a comment down below. I'm Mike and I'm Walabot out.